Detailed guidelines for writing a high-quality review article. This is a scientific video which is based on research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Please see the reference section available at the end of the video for source papers. Review articles are vital for synthesizing and advancing academic fields, as they consolidate current knowledge and highlight emerging patterns and gaps. Successfully writing a review article requires scholarship, discipline, and critical analysis informed by established practices. This article provides essential guidelines for composing a high-quality review article, integrating 8 authoritative references throughout. Strong foundation of knowledge. A well-written review begins with deep familiarity and expertise in the subject area. Authors must not only master the current literature but ideally have contributed original research in the field. This background enables critical analysis and nuanced synthesis beyond mere reporting of facts. For instance, comprehensive knowledge of historical trends and major breakthroughs equips authors to contextualize new research more effectively. Moreover, rigorous understanding fosters accurate representation and proper evaluation of primary and secondary sources. Comprehensive literature collection. Gathering an extensive and diverse body of literature is fundamental for a balanced review. Authors should consult and read at least 75 to 100 recent, high-quality articles from reputable journals to ensure comprehensive coverage. Systematic searches via databases such as Scopus, Web of Science, or PubMed are recommended for identifying relevant studies. Importantly, reviewing abstracts alone is insufficient. Thorough reading yields deeper insight into methodologies, findings, and limitations. For topics with rapidly evolving content, emphasis should remain on peer-reviewed, methodologically sound articles. Appropriate topic selection. Selecting the right topic is crucial. Authors are advised to avoid extremely recent or trending areas because peer-reviewed scholarship may still be sparse, resulting in superficial or speculative analysis. Topics too new for robust evidence are better suited to short commentaries or editorials. Conversely, areas already covered by numerous reviews risk redundancy. Instead, aim for subjects that allow for fresh synthesis or interdisciplinary perspective. Non-controversial themes. While academic freedom is essential, authors should generally steer clear of politically sensitive or contentious topics unless such themes are central to the journal's scope. Reviews addressing controversial or polarized issues may face increased scrutiny during peer review and may carry a higher risk of rejection. Journals rarely require neutrality explicitly, but objective, balanced analysis is always valued. Focus on established areas. Choosing a well-established area of research provides several advantages: richer data sets, more validated methodologies, and greater opportunity for detecting trends or gaps. Review articles on classical topics serve as foundational resources for students and researchers entering the field. In addition, reviews in mature subjects reliably attract citations, enhancing both the article's and journal's impact. This also allows for meta-analysis and longitudinal discussion, both of which enrich the scholarly conversation. Broad scope. A broad yet focused scope increases a review's relevance and utility. Narrow reviews risk duplicating existing literature, while overly broad articles may lose coherence. Optimal scope enables the comparison of methods, perspectives, and findings across subfields, leading to holistic conclusions and actionable recommendations. Striking this balance is a hallmark of high-impact review articles. Avoid overly trending topics. Even well-established fields can be affected by hype cycles, such as artificial intelligence, which may complicate hiring and evaluation for researchers. Unless the journal specifically calls for reviews on topics like AI, authors might consider emphasizing less contentious, widely accepted subjects to maximize the article's acceptance potential. Critical reviews of trending fields are possible, but they demand extra rigor, clear boundaries, and careful explanation of methodological challenges. Conclusion. A high-quality review article is built on solid expertise, comprehensive literature coverage, judicious topic selection, and objective synthesis. By focusing on established areas with ample scholarly evidence, authors produce articles that guide research agendas and inform scientific discourse. The principles outlined above, integrated with leading literature, provide a roadmap for authors wishing to make a lasting contribution to their field. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.